Today, you'll see how mushrooms are grown, processed, and delivered to you.
Mushrooms don't grow naturally here. Every condition is carefully controlled. Once they're ready, mushrooms are harvested by hand and sent straight to processing.
Inside the factory, they're cleaned, sorted, and prepared in different ways.
That's how white button mushrooms make their way to you.
This room decides whether mushrooms survive or fail. Mushrooms don't grow naturally here. Every condition is controlled. This happens at massive scale every single day. Once they're ready, speed becomes critical. Each mushroom is harvested by hand. Thousands are picked in minutes. Timing matters. Now they leave the growing rooms. Next stop, the mushroom processing factory. This is where quality is decided. Only perfect mushrooms move forward. The process starts gently. Speed is carefully controlled. Every mushroom is checked by hand. Defects are removed immediately. Mushrooms are cleaned without water. Only gentle brushing, nothing aggressive. Quality is checked again. Size grading happens automatically. Each size is handled separately. Safety checks run in the background. Now the mushrooms split into different products. This line is for whole, fresh mushrooms only. Retail mushrooms must look perfect. Only minimal trimming is done. Cooling helps lock in freshness. Flow is balanced before packing. Packaging is prepared in advance. Each pack gets the right amount. Sealed to stay fresh longer. Every pack is labeled and dated. Whole mushrooms are now ready. Some mushrooms are prepared ready to cook. Each mushroom is positioned before cutting. Slicing is fully automated and precise. Each slice is cut to exact thickness. Quality is checked immediately. Air control helps preserve color. Every pack meets exact weight. Slices are packed gently. Sliced mushrooms are sealed and labeled. The sliced product is ready. Some mushrooms are prepared in bulk for restaurants. Bulk products focus on speed and volume. Even flow prevents damage. Bulk orders are weighed precisely. Restaurants receive mushrooms in larger quantities. Bulk products are labeled for tracking. Cooling protects freshness during delivery. Bulk mushrooms wait for dispatch. One harvest becomes 3 different products. Now everything moves into cold storage. Fresh mushrooms must stay cold at all times. Even small temperature changes matter. Humidity is just as important as temperature. Different products are stored separately. The oldest product always ships first. Quality checks continue after packing. Every hour of freshness is tracked. Only approved pallets move forward. The cold chain is never broken. Next, mushrooms are shipped out. Refrigerated trucks arrive right on schedule. Temperature is verified before loading. Warm air is kept out at all times. Retail mushrooms load first. Sliced products follow in sequence. Bulk orders complete the load. Every load is inspected before departure. Trailers are sealed for security. Fresh mushrooms head out for delivery. The cold chain continues on the road. Mushrooms are delivered through regional hubs. Every pallet is scanned on arrival. Retail stores receive fresh mushrooms daily. Restaurants receive mushrooms in bulk. This is how they appear in stores. And this is how restaurants use them. Inside the factory, the day comes to an end. Everything is cleaned for the next harvest. The system resets every day. This is how white button mushrooms reach you.
If you want to watch more detailed videos on manufacturing and technology like this, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.